Good morning, Don Vegas Hotel Reservation. This is Redon. How can I assist you today?
Yes, I'd like to reserve a room for one, please.
Before we proceed to the reservation process, may I know who's on the line, please?
I'm Justin Desena.
Could you spell your first name for me, please?
Sure, it's Justinedecena.
Thank you for that information, Mr. Desena. May I know for which date would you like to stay with us, sir?
Yes, I would like to stay at Don Vegas Hotel on April 15 for 2 days.
For a while, sir. Let me check the availability of rooms for those dates. I'm glad to inform you that we have available rooms. May I know what type of room and how many people will be coming, Mr. Desena?
There will be one. Do you have a standard room?
I'm sorry to inform you, Mr. Desena, but all our standard rooms have been fully booked on April 15. How about a junior suite instead? We can transfer you once there is availability.
Okay, I think that is fine.
Our room rate also comes with complimentary breakfast. Do you find that acceptable, Mr. Desena?
Please tell me the price so I can decide.
For our junior suite room, we have it at 5,200 pesos per night.
Okay, that's nice.
Now, as per the room, Mr. Desena, do you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
I prefer non-smoking, please.
Non-smoking. Now, is a king-size bed okay?
A king-sized bed sounds great.
Would you prefer to have a view of the beach?
I would love to have that beach view.
Great. Would you like to confirm your reservation, Mr. Desena?
Yes.
Let's proceed to your reservation, sir. I'll need to gather some information. Can I have the name of the person who will be staying, Mr. Desena?
Sure. It's Mr. Ganaban.
Also, sir, can I have your contact number and email address?
Sure. It's 0969-3579-284. And my email address is desenajustin@gmail.com.
Let me repeat the information, sir. The person who will be staying with us is Mr. Ganaban. And also your contact number is 0969-357-9284. And your email address is desenajustin@gmail.com. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
May I also have your complete address for confirmation purposes?
My address is Amado Tapua, Dagupan City, Pangasinan.
Thank you, Mr. Desena. Do you want to guarantee your reservation?
No, I will be paying cash in person.
Thank you, Mr. Desena. To confirm your reservation, you've booked a junior suite with a view of the beach for only one person from 15th to 17th of April. Is that correct, Mr. Desena?
Yes, that is correct.
Alright, Mr. Desena. Your reservation has been made for April 15 until 17 for a junior suite with a king-size bed and of course with a view of the beach. We're looking forward to seeing you then. Thank you for calling Don Vegas Hotel. Have a great day.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Don Vegas Hotel. I'm with Don. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name of Mr. Lina.
Thank you, sir. May I see your valid ID?
Here it is.
Thank you, sir. Please allow me a moment to verify your reservation for a while, sir. I got your booking for a junior suite right here in the system. You are booked from April 15 to April 17 for 2 nights. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that is correct.
Great. Before I complete your check-in, would you mind to pay now or would you prefer to pay during your stay?
I will pay now.
Okay, Mr. Tisana. Your total bill is 10,400 pesos. Thank you, sir. Let me just process this for you. Okay, Mr. Tisana. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Here's your room key, sir, and your room number is 123. Here are some important details for you to stay. Checkout time is at 12 noon. Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Free Wi-Fi is available and is listed on the information card in the room. Please dial us if you need assistance. Just press number 2 on the phone.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Enjoy your stay, sir, and have a great day.